So the first thing we're going to do is going to write down the two formulas you use for all of these, okay? And once again, these are learned off by heart by me. They're not in your maths tables. So if you do actually have your maths tables, you should probably lob them in somewhere in your maths tables. So basically, all I want you to be able to do is use them. But then you'll know that come leaving cert time, you have to have that off by heart. That's it. Okay. Okay. And then it's x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay. That's the first one. The second variation. Now, does everybody get that I can interchange letters there? That could be A and B instead of X and Y. Is that okay with you guys? Depending on what my purpose is. And this one is x cubed plus y cubed, which is x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared, right? Yeah. Now, if I really wanted to, I'd multiply them out and verify them in a test, but there's no need this time around. Okay. So you've asked me to do question 33, right? Now, which option is it? Should I choose the top option or the bottom option? Yellow or blue for 33? I'm going to choose yellow. Okay. Now, with question 33 with the yellow one, what are we going to change 27 into? Anybody? 3. Okay. So it's going to be x cubed minus 3 cubed. Now, everywhere you see y, what do you put in instead? 3. So we're going to get x minus 3. We're going to get x squared. And then what's x times 3? 3x. And then the y squared is 3 squared, which is? Yeah, 3 squared, which is 9. All right. And they actually aren't too bad. Right? They're not too bad at all. All right. Question 40 I'll do next. So keep track of what I'm doing. 33 is the first one, and then 40 will be the next one, okay? Now, 40. Okay? 40 is awkward because of 343. But we can make that easy by doing what, lads? What can we do with 343? We cube root it. And we get 7, yeah? So, would everybody agree with 7c to be cubed plus d cubed? Okay, we killed that. And, oh God, which one am I using, yellow or blue? Okay, is it a plus or a minus? The blue one has the plus in it, doesn't it? So you're going to use the blue equation. Instead of x, what do we have? 7c. Anywhere you see an x, you replace it with a 7c. Any place you see a y, replace it with a d. Now, tell me something. What would 7c to be squared? What's that? 49 c squared, because you have to square 7c. And then what's 7c times d? Minus 7cd. And then finally y squared, which is, replace y with d. What do we get? D squared. Who got that one out last night? Right. Good job, all right. Now, so that's 40 then, right? Now I'm on to 41. Yeah, I won't do 43 again, if that's okay, because it's already saved online. It's online. You can find it later on, okay? Just want to save time here. So I'll go for 41 though. Now, 41. Is there any number that can be taken out of both of them? Yes, sir. 3. So you get 3 into x cubed minus 216. Now, I reckon 216 is one of those cube numbers, isn't it? So I think it's 6, right? So it's 6. So we put in the cube root of 216. And what I get is it's 3 times x cubed minus 6 cubed. Now, the next thing I'm looking at, gents, is the following. Am I using yellow or blue? Am I using plus or minus? I'm using yellow because yellow is the minus one. Okay? So anywhere I see a y, I'm going to replace it with the number 6. So it's going to be 3 times x minus 6, and then x squared. Now it's going to be, plus 6x, fair play, and then y squared, 36. We happy with that? Okay. And so that's 41 done. Take note of that as well. Thanks. Now, 42, guys. 42 is the same trick, isn't it? What number can I take out of both of them? Okay. Now, if you aren't too sure, just start off really small with it. Like start off with the smallest even number you can think of and just keep taking it out until it works. So 128 and 16. 16 can actually be taken out of both of them. Right. But that's for argument's sake, say we're not actually, a lot of us wouldn't know that, right? It's fair enough. So here's what we'll do. Start off with 2. Once you take out 2, you get 64 and 8. Take out another 2. So what you get this time? 2 times what? 32 and 4. I think most of you now would tell that you could take out 4 as well, wouldn't you? So we take out 4 this time. So it's going to be 2 times 2 times 4. I said we'll take out 4 this time, but that's my bad. Now, can anybody tell me what do I do with the 2, the 2, and the 4? I times them to get 16, isn't it? Can anybody tell me what I do with the 8 and the x cubed? Yeah. A cube root the 8. The cube root of x is x. You don't have to do anything. So cube root of 8 is 2. So that's 2 cubed. And the other one is already x cubed, isn't it? So which formula am I using? Blue or yellow? Using blue. Instead of x, I have 2. Instead of y, I have x. Exactly. So just basically an eyesight test now, okay? Can you replace all x's with 2's? And can you replace all y's with x's? Let's find out. Replace x with 2. Replace y with x. X squared is now what? 2 squared, which is 4. Minus 2 times x is now 2. Y is x, so it's minus 2x, is it? And then finally, instead of y squared, we're going to have x squared. Ooh, anybody get that one out? Tough. Yeah, well done. Good job, good job, good job. All right, so you're going to tell me which ones I did.